Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be fitting a factory phone holder to a Dacia Jogger. So this is the Dacia Jogger Extreme version. So let's find the connecting point. This is behind the infotainment screen. As you can see, there we are. At the moment the cover is on it. So what we'll need to do is actually remove that first. Now when you purchase the car, it should come with the phone connector. This is a standard factory model. So to remove the cover, put your thumb on it at the bottom and lift up, and it easily slides off. Now I would keep this cover just in case you ever remove the phone connecting. Okay, so now to connect it, there's 4 points at the back. Marry them up with the holes, push it in, and then slide it down. Perfect. It's as easy as that. Now you can add your phone to it and connect it to the infotainment system. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to look out for more helpful videos coming soon.